Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, guys, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, please go to the Telegram channel. Follow us on Telegram. There will be putting out 1 or 2 useful information that you would need, and you can easily chat with us up there on Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be found in the comment section. So let's start with this analysis on New Zealand dollar JPY. So, some might call it, QEJPY or whatever, you want to call it, it's up to you. I call it the New Zealand dollar JPY. So let's start from this moment, from February 2020. We can see from this level here, when markets literally dropped, right? We can see we started having that bullish move. We can see from February 2020, we got to a level year of 2021, 2022, 2023, and you can see we are currently at the year of 2023. Very soon we'll be entering into the year of 2024, and guess what? New Zealand dollar will continue to go bullish. This has to do with the fundamental factors. Is that one of the reasons why we are having this massive uptrend move on New Zealand dollar JPY is due to the fall of JPY. We all know the interest rate in JPY, right? The interest rate in JPY is about negative 0.10. Why for New Zealand dollar, if I'm not wrong, it will be about 5% or maybe 4.50%. I think it is about 5%. I can't remember it now on New Zealand dollar. So when you compare the interest rate between the two, of course, you will see that New Zealand dollar will actually will move more than the JPY, whereby JPY has about negative 0.10. Many investors will rather put their money into the New Zealand dollar than will put it into JPY, because they are very much likely to see interest rates, right? Good amount of interest rate, unlike putting it in JPY, whereby there's no interest rates, right? So due to the fundamental aspect of everything. Now let's take a look at what to be expecting this week on New Zealand dollar JPY. So you can see from here to this level, you can see that it is clearly on an uptrend move. Market has been going bullish. Now, if you take a look at this movement, let's see if you can do that movement on the weekly time frame. So if you can see New Zealand dollar JPY, so let's start with this here. So I'll start from here. This is the impulse move to the upside, right? Within this impulse move, you can see the higher highs and then higher lows. This is the corrective wave. You can see as a pullback or whatever way. This is another impulse move to the upside. You can see that this impulse move took out this previous highs here, right? And this is the pullback level. And now what is currently playing out is another impulse move to the upside, thereby it will be forming a new higher highs. So this highs that is currently playing out is about to give us a new higher highs, thereby taking out this previous highs. So New Zealand dollar JPY, we should be expecting a bullish move this week. So basically, this is kind of like when markets literally dropped, we kind of had like a double bottom. We all know double bottom is a reversal move, especially when it is dropping. And there's a double bottom. Of course, there's going to be a reversal movement here. So market has push finish. One thing I will be watching out for on this New Zealand dollar JPY is for it to come to this, take this big heights here. Once it can get to this level here, right, I will be expecting a pullback. After that pullback, then another impulse move to the upside. So basically, New Zealand dollar JPY should kind of give us a bullish move this week. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will see the link in the comment section.